I'm going to show you in this video how to join a Google Meet. There are 3 ways that your teachers could set up a Google Meet for you to join. The first way, you will be required to join the Feedback Friday class, and on there is a spreadsheet with links. Those links, when you click on them, will take you to a live interaction with one of your teachers. The second way, your teachers could put a link on the top of one of your Google classes. And the third way, your teachers could direct message you either by email or through Google Classroom with a link for you to click on. I'm going to show you how to do the first 2 now. The first way is by joining the Feedback Friday Google Classroom class. And you can do that by using this class code. Make a note of it now. Once you've joined the class, the only thing on that class is this assignment. On this assignment is the live help and feedback Google Sheets. When you click on that, you will see a list of your teachers, who's available, and the link to the Meet so that you can have a live interaction with them. Your teachers will be available on Fridays between 9 and 12 p.m. to utilise this sheet. Okay, at this point here, all you need to do is just look down your list of teachers. If there's anybody you want to speak to and they are available, they'll have a Y next to their name. Some of your teachers might even tell you a date and a time that they'll be available from and to. If they're not already on a meet with another student, it will be a Y, but they could already be on a meet and talking to someone else. Okay, so just bear that in mind to keep checking back. Then click on the link and it will take you to this screen here. Okay, says camera started and you will appear there. Hello, there's me. And then you click on join now. Your teacher will be available to speak to you. Hello, Mr. Folks.
Hello, Miss Farmer.
Okay, at this point, there's a couple of things you can do. So you need to know that your teacher will be recording this meet. All meets will be recorded. And down the bottom, you can present your screen if you need to present something to your teacher or show them something. You can mute yourself if it gets particularly noisy in your house and you want to mute. You can go up here. If there's more than one student in the meet, you can ask questions in there and wait for your teacher to respond at a more appropriate moment in the session. And then at the end, you can click on the leave button to leave the meeting. Bye, Mr. Folks. Okay, the second way that your teacher may make themselves available to you is that they could create a class meet where maybe more than one student might be in the meet at the same time. So I'm just going to go to Mr. Folks' geography class. And if that's the case, there will be a meet link appearing at the top of the class. Okay, so your teacher might tell you a specific time that they are going to be available to take a class, and you just need to click on the link here. Just like before, you'll be taken to this screen and you'll be there. Hello. And then you click on join now. And hopefully Mr. Folks will be waiting for you. Hello, Mr. Folks.
Hello, Miss Farmer.
Okay, so to summarise, there are 3 ways that you can join a Google Meet, either by joining the Feedback Friday class and clicking on the links on there, or your teacher can put the link and make it active in the top of a Google class that you are part of, or your teacher could directly message you through email or Google Classroom with the link. But all you need to do is click on the link, and if your teacher is waiting for you, the meet will begin.